Pag-usapan natin ng long-term healthcare. Una is renewal is guaranteed. Kapag may long-term healthcare ka at halimbawa on the third year nagkasakit ka, marirenew pa rin yung kontrata mo. Unlike sa short term, pag nagkasakit ka, naging sakitin ka, pwedeng hindi na ma-renew yung kontrata mo. And then, pangalawa, four-way insurance. Meron tong term life insurance, may accidental death and dismemberment, at kapag may nangyari sa'yo, namatay ka or na-aksidente ka total and permanent, pwedeng ma-waive yung mga balance mo or fully paid na yung account mo. And then, any unused health funds accumulate with interest. So, ang ganda, no? Kasi yung mga hindi natin nagagamit dahil hindi naman tayo nagkakasakit, nare-rewardan tayo kasi may investment tayo dito. And of course, with return of premium up to 85% of contract price. Kaya nga tinatawag din to na health savings account. Naging cost-free na yung ating healthcare kasi kung hindi natin nagagamit